Jemison playoffs start here. Kraken Pinion, their second sample. Moment Makers on the opposite alliance, their second coming in hot. A third already in their possession. Gearheads, the first pick of the #1 seed, popping another sample to their human player. That's 3 specimens already on there. Make it 4, but here comes the third from Oakton Cougar. Their fourth now incoming. Gearhead still working on that high basket. A bit of a miss there, but 2 seconds. They've got that 5th sample. A close match. Just 10 points separating these two alliances. Gearheads and Moment Makers both in that submersible. Moment Makers striking first. Gearheads with the red one to their observer zone. Kraken Pinion trying to access some samples themselves. They've got a neutral one and they're going up high with it. That's 8 points from the #1 seed Alliance captains. We actually see that your #8 seed has put in the second pick of Moment Makers over the initial pick of Elephant Nova. We'll have to see how this factors into their strategy. Maybe it's so the captains there can focus on some defense on Kraken Pinion. Just now missing a sample. Blue has the lead. They're up 226 to 215. Now just 3 points again. Gearheads, another sample in their possession. They've got the red one. A number of them lined up on the alliance wall. They're starting to score them. Not as much specimen action yet from Blue. Red still with another sample. They're coming in their 7th. Moment Makers still working on that basket. Going up high. There it is. 8 points for them. Keeping them in it. Less than 10 points here with a minute to play. Here comes 10 from Gearheads. We do see Oakton Cougar in the middle. They're still trying to access those samples to be turned into specimens. The specimen scoring not coming out yet. With 40 seconds, they're going to need to start. And here they come. Another specimen. A 7th here for your Blue Alliance. 30 seconds. We're about to hear the end game horn. And teams are going to look to ascend. Moment Makers and Gearheads, a bit of a kerfuffle there on the close side of the field by the Red Alliance High Chamber. But with 20 seconds, Blue's up. They're up by less than 10. Now Red's up, now Blue's up again. 13 seconds, it's going to come down to the ascents. Kraken Pinion for Red, the first one's trying to go up. Will they make it? Gearheads, 5 seconds. Moment Makers, 2 up for Red, 1 up for Blue. Division, moving on in the upper bracket, your Red Alliance. Final score 423 to Alliance 8's 387. Alliance #1 will move on in the upper bracket. We'll see them again in playoff match.